Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about Oracle features, security, advanced analytics, backup and recovery tools, and utilities. Let's enjoy. Oracle Database, often referred to simply as Oracle, is a powerful and widely used relational database management system, RDBMS, developed by Oracle Corporation. It is one of the leading databases in the industry and is commonly used in enterprise environments for mission-critical applications and large-scale data processing. Here's an overview of Oracle Database. 1. Features. Scalability. Oracle Database is designed to handle large volumes of data and support thousands of concurrent users. High availability. It offers features such as clustering, replication, and automatic failover to ensure continuous availability of data and minimize downtime. Security. Oracle Database provides robust security features, including access control, encryption, and auditing, to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Advanced analytics. It supports advanced analytics capabilities, including data mining, machine learning, and predictive analytics, to derive insights and make data-driven decisions. Data warehousing. Oracle Database includes features optimized for data warehousing, such as partitioning, parallel processing, and advanced query optimization, to support analytical workloads and decision support systems. Backup and recovery. It offers comprehensive backup and recovery solutions, including point-in-time recovery, data replication, and disaster recovery, to protect data against loss and corruption. 2. Editions. Oracle Database is available in several editions, including Enterprise Edition, Standard Edition, and Express Edition, each offering different sets of features and capabilities to meet the needs of different organizations and applications. 3. Tools and utilities. Oracle Database provides a wide range of tools and utilities for database administration, development, and monitoring. These include Oracle Enterprise Manager, SQL Developer, Data Pump, and SQL Plus, among others. 4. Platform support. Oracle Database is compatible with various operating systems, including Oracle Linux, Microsoft Windows, IBM AIX, and Solaris, as well as cloud platforms such as Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, and Amazon Web Services, AWS. 5. Licensing. Oracle Database is a commercial product, and licensing costs can vary depending on the edition, features, and deployment options chosen. Oracle offers flexible licensing options, including perpetual licenses, subscription licenses, and cloud-based licensing models. 6. Community and support. Oracle Database has a large and active community of users, developers, and administrators who contribute to forums, user groups, and online communities. Oracle Corporation provides comprehensive support services, including documentation, technical support, and training programs, to help users maximize the value of their investment in Oracle Database. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.